afternoon, students. Hope you all are well. Today I will discuss the topic if-else statement. So in the if-else statement, first we will see here the if statement will check the Boolean expression. If the expression is true or here the condition satisfied, so the if statement will execute the statement inside the if statement. It will execute the statement. If the given condition or Boolean expression is false, so it will execute the statement within the else statement. Okay, I will show you with the help of an example. Here it's not a program, but it's a part of a program. Now see this. Here we have taken a variable integer x equals to 30. Now in the if condition, the condition is x is greater than 30. So we will see that the condition is false. Now the statement within the if will not execute. So compiler will execute the statement within the else condition. Okay. So output will be else will execute it. So I will show you why practically.
So students, now I will show you how I will execute the if statement. Okay. First, click on the start button. Here notepad, click on the notepad. When you will click, here you will see a notepad window appears. Here you will type your program. First, public class ASD, enter. You can type any name of class. Now curly braces start. Now next type public static void main bracket start. Now type string arg bracket. Now in the string s will be capital. Here after space type arg, then this bracket. Now the bracket close here. Now enter. Curly braces start of main function. Now declare a variable integer type x equals to 30 semicolon, enter. Now start if statement. If give condition here x is greater than 30, I am giving the condition x is greater than 30. Now press enter. Now start curly braces. Print any statement using sys system dot out dot print. Now bracket within bracket inverted commas I am in if statement. Inverted comma close, bracket close, semicolon, enter. Close the if statement using curly braces. Now enter. Now type else statement ELSE, enter. Curly braces start. Here write SYSTEM dot out dot print. Bracket start within bracket in inverted commas write I am in else statement. Now bracket close, semicolon, enter, close else statement using curly braces. Now enter. Now close this main function. Okay, using curly braces. Now close the class using curly braces. Now first you will save the file with the name ASD. Okay, the file name should be same as the name of your class. So click on file, click save. Now here your class name is ASD, so you will save asd.java. So the name of the file will be asd.java. Press enter. Okay, the file is saved ASD. Now we will run. Before run, I will show you the path. I have saved this ASD file in the Java 1 folder. ASD, here is ASD. Now right click on ASD, click on properties. You will show the path C users Kamal Joshi desktop Java 1. So this is the path. You will type the path in the command prompt. Now what you will do, click on the start. Here in the search program, type CMD, press enter. Here you will see command prompt open. Now you will go first desktop, because our file path is C users Kamal Joshi desktop then Java. Okay, so here is desktop, enter. Now CD Java 1, enter. Okay, now I have entered in. Now the compiling process is going on. Here your compiling process is successful. Now you will run using JAVA Java space ASD. You will write only file name. Don't write dot extension. Okay, don't write asd.java here. Please run these steps. Now press enter. So here your run process is successful. The output is I am in else statement. Okay, so this is the if statement, how if statement will work. Okay, student. So now see this in the program. First we write here public class ASD is the class name. You can write any name here. It's a user defined name. Then you will start curly braces. Now you will start after curly braces public static void main string arg. You learn this step. After that curly braces of main function will be start. Here we declare x equals to 30 integer type, semicolon. Then after we give the condition if x is greater than 30. Here we see that the condition of x is greater than 30 is false, because the value of x is not greater than 30. Okay, so the compiler will not execute this statement. Show the cursor of the mouse. So it will not execute the system.out.print I am in if statement. Then the compiler will go to the else statement. So it will execute the system.out.print I am in else statement. So this statement will be printed I am in else statement. Okay, if we will give here the condition x is less than or x is less than equals to 30. So what will happen? So in this condition, the condition is true because the value of x is equals to 30. Okay, so it will print the system.out.print I am in if statement. Okay, now I will show you how it will work. First we will save this file. Now we will go to the command prompt. Here click cmd here. Now command prompt opens. Now go to the Java 1 folder. First enter cd java1. Now we will compile the file javac java space file name is asd. Sorry, we will compile using .asd.java jvac space asd.java. Enter. Now compiling process is successful. Now we will run this using java space asd only. Now I am in if statement. So this is the execution of the if statement. Okay, thank you students.